Hi everyone, in this video I will show you create unlimited Gmail accounts effortlessly. Now if you're looking for how to create unlimited Gmail accounts, then I'm going to show you how to do it. First, you have to go to Google Cloud Skill Boost, tap this one, tap the very first link that you can see here, and then you have to sign in or log in first to your Gmail account in order for you to proceed. So you can tap this, sign in to your Google, or you can enter your information right here, continue, and then tap continue again. And you should be, or you should see this page right here after you have logged in your account. So you have to click I accept. Tap this, I am not a robot, and then click I accept, and you just have to prove that you're 100% human. Okay. And then after that, if you're verified, you will see this Google Cloud Skills Boost, and you have to click this Explore right here. Tap this one. Now you have to scroll down till you see Format and then click Lab right here. Tap this one. And then you have to go to the right side and you have to scroll down here. Now you have to look for this, a tour of Google Cloud Sustainability. Tap this. Once you tap this one, go to the left side. As you can see, there is the Start Lab button right here. All you have to do is to tap that one, and it will show you an email or a sample username and password in order for you to create a Gmail account. So take note, this is just for a short time. I mean, they said that it is only good for 1 day. So if you want to create multiple Gmail account that you can use for a day, then you can try this one. But if you're looking for like a lifetime Gmail account, then I think it's not possible. So go to Gmail account for signing in. You just have to copy this one and also for password, and then scroll down here, tap this. Then you have to wait for a couple of seconds, and then you have now created your Gmail account. You can do this again. You can go back in order for you to stop or create another email account or Gmail account. You have to go back and then stop and then regenerate again another username and password. As easy as that. So if you have any suggestions or topics that you want us to create for tutorials, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, and see you again in our next video tutorials.